Hi again, everybody. We are on the town with Suz and Doug. And Suz, I think they can see where we are, but why don't you tell the folks anyway?
We are at Ikea in Tampa.
I have to say, I've never been to an Ikea before.
Yes.
She said, do you want to go? I said, okay.
Yes.
I must be the only person in America that's never been to an Ikea. But I went tonight, and I thought it was interesting.
It was really fun. We were walking around. They have pretty much anything you can imagine for your home here at Ikea, plus a really nice cafeteria.
Yeah, we had a big dinner earlier, or big, late lunch, early dinner.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would have eaten there.
Exactly.
The Swedish meatballs, of course, the Swedish company.
Yes.
But I think you can get chicken tenders and mac and cheese and hot dogs.
Yes.
But it's a nice cafeteria there. So,
Very nice.
And you're going to need it because you got to do a lot of walking here.
It's a lot of walking. You will definitely. It's two floors.
Yeah.
But you will definitely. They have everything here.
Everything you'd ever want in a home or an apartment, every kind of department.
Yes.
Right? You bought some nice lamps tonight.
Yes, I bought for my bedroom 2 brass pull chain table lamps. I bought the light bulbs and 6 glasses from Sweden. $10.
Of course,
for a
Suz
box
has
of
the
6.
Swedish heritage. So
yes.
You have a special affinity for this
yes,
place.
my mom's parents were both from there, so I was very excited to be here. Yeah, yes.
Yeah, even if you don't want to buy anything, it's kind of interesting just to walk around.
Yes.
You can watch, see the living rooms they have set up. So if you have a house or an apartment, they show how it would look.
Yes, it's really interesting, and just with the rooms being a bit smaller, the smaller in the kitchen, the more narrow refrigerator, smaller appliances, but it's very interesting.
Yeah, well laid out, and
yes.
Of course all the departments, bedding, kitchen.
Yes.
So you got glasses.
Yes.
Furniture, of course, sofas, bedding.
Yeah.
Just about everything. Plants.
Everything. Yeah, everything. Plants. They have anything that you can imagine for your kitchen. Really an interesting place.
Seems like reasonable prices to me. Now I don't know the prices that well for this kind of thing, but it seems reasonable.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's. I would. Yes. You can get really nice sofas for a little bit over $800,
right.
Which isn't unreasonable.
Not too bad, right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
And friendly people.
Yeah.
But like we said, you do a ton of walking. We're going to check out,
yes.
and you can't check out where you enter. There's a separate entrance, a separate exit.
You do some walking.
And the exit's about a half a mile away, it seems, from the entrance.
Yes.
Maybe not that far, but you had to walk all the way around to get out.
Yes, it's a
through the warehouse.
Walk. Yes. Oh my goodness.
And like we said, there's a cafeteria upstairs, but before you leave, there's a little bistro if you want to have some food there.
Very nice.
$1 hot dogs.
Yes.
90 cents if you want the veggie hot dog.
It was like, oh my goodness.
So you could eat for under $1 if you don't get anything to drink.
Oh my gosh.
But interesting place. Now we live in Sarasota, so there's none in Sarasota yet.
Not yet.
So the nearest one, obviously, in Tampa Bay area is right here, just off downtown.
Yes.
We went on the Leroy Sullivan Expressway.
Yes.
Can't tell you exactly the street we're on,
but
look it up on your directions. It's near downtown Tampa.
Near downtown.
Right near where the shipyards are, and not too far from the hockey arena.
Yes. It's an interesting place.
Huge parking lot, plenty of parking.
Yes.
But interesting place. So,
yes.
Not our usual restaurant review, but something a little different. So
yes.
I got to give it a thumbs up, even though I've never been there before. What do you think?
Thumbs up for Ikea.
There you go.
Absolutely.
Check it out. We're not paid by Ikea, but we had a good time.
We had a good time.
So it's worth. If you've never been there before, like me.
Yes.
Mostly women, I would imagine, know about it. Guys, maybe not.
Yeah.
Although my nephew, when he went to college, my sister took him here to get his college apartment furnished.
Yeah.
So he knew about it.
They have a really nice thing. Yeah. It's a good place.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thank you.
We'll see you again on the town.